guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Letitia and I really hope that you are doing great. I have tried flaxseed gel in my hair for 24 hours and I truly have loved the result, and I really hope that you are also going to enjoy the results that I have gotten. Before continuing this video, I am going to talk a little bit about the benefits of flaxseed gel. The first benefit of flaxseed gel is that it contains omega-3 fatty acids. They are going to give you healthy, stronger and shiny hair, so it is very important to use flaxseed to achieve those results. The second type of ingredient that we can find in the seeds are the vitamin B. Vitamin B is going to protect your hair against hair damage and also against hair loss. The third benefit of the flaxseed gel is that it also contains vitamin E, which is going to give you stronger hair follicle. So I am going to show you the results that I have gotten in my hair after using flaxseed gel for only 24 hours. I will also do a video of me trying the flaxseed gel on my face for 7 days, so please stay tuned for this video. Now I am going to show you how I make my flaxseed gel. You can use the golden flax seeds if you don't have the brown flax seeds. You can also add more cups of water if you want the gel to be more liquid. Personally, I feel like 4 cups of water was perfect because it was very thick. This is my hair before the challenge, and as you can see I have a lot of split ends, but mostly my hair is very dry. Since flaxseed gel helps with moisture, I really hope that this gel is going to revitalize my hair. Just to let you know that you can also add your favorite oils in this flaxseed gel. You can add castor oil, avocado, grapeseed, jojoba oil, sunflower oils if you want to. You can also add essential oils such as peppermint, that is very good to stimulate hair growth, lavender that smells amazing in your hair and adds shine. You can add some eucalyptus if you are suffering with flaky scalp and you want your scalp to be suited. There are so many great things that you can add in this gel, so please don't limit yourself. After the 24 hours, my hair was very dry, but however it was so bouncy. But now I am going to wash my hair to see if my hair feels any different. Wow, my hair feels so soft right now. I truly recommend you to also use the flaxseed gel in your hair, especially if you are struggling with detangling your hair. Please try this. I prefer the flaxseed gel to the aloe vera gel just because of the feeling that the flaxseed gel provides on my hair. Please don't leave the flaxseed gel in your hair for 24 hours as it is very drying, so just use this on your wash days for 30 minutes as a pre-poo or as a hair conditioner. Overall, this flaxseed gel is amazing. It will give you shiny hair and mostly will define your curls. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I really hope that you are going to try this challenge in your hair. Please comment down below something you want to see on my channel, or just ask me any questions that you have. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos about hair and skincare. God bless you. Take care and bye.